everybody. Today I'm going to tell you about the FridgeSmarts. I absolutely love the FridgeSmarts. Let's start off by showing you the bag of lettuce that has been in my fridge for 2 weeks. That's a lot of brown. I also put half of that bag into my FridgeSmart 2 weeks ago. And look at that lettuce. It looks just like I put it in there 2 weeks ago. Absolutely perfect. I absolutely love these containers. They save me money on my produce. I want to show you how they work. In here, you see the vegetables. Whatever you plan on putting in them, you find that vegetable. And find that, and then find the little indicator, like there's a little circle there, so that's fully open. So you go to the top of the lid, and the fully open is right here, so you would move it all the way over here. Now, if you would like to put broccoli and corn together, they're in the same rectangle. So you can store the same items in here, the broccoli and the corn, but they have to be in the same little square. Some of them, the fruits and the vegetables, might be on all the same side. Or like this one's thin. So the vegetables on one side and the fruit on the other. So I love the FridgeSmarts. So today I'm going to make a salad. And I'm going to use my chop and prep to make that. I love these bowls for salads. I take these for lunch a lot. They come with lids. The lids. And I love these containers to put dressing in. And I like my croutons crunchy, so I put my croutons in here and just add it when I'm ready to eat it. So we like our vegetables chopped up fine in our salad. Did that backwards. I had to stick the blade in. So we like some peppers, so I'm going to put some peppers and some onions in them. You guys probably see me use this a lot. I love this little contraption. That's how it goes. So I'm going to pour that into my salad. We also like carrots. I'm going to put that into my chopper because once again we like our vegetables chopped up in our salad. The carrots, you have to give a little bit more oomph to them. In there. And that's how easy it is to make a salad with everything chopped up in it. These containers are great for to-go lunches, and I highly recommend these for salad dressing because they don't leak, they don't spill. Thank you for joining me. Bye guys!